I know y'all have to be wondering, what does a batch of pancake mix have to do with last braids? Well, I'm going to get my hair braided for an upcoming trip, and before I take the trip, before I left the house, I wanted to make my family some blueberry pancakes, and selfishly some pancakes for me while I'm getting my hair braided. Let's be real. So I hope you enjoy this pancake mix, because I realized that I like pancakes every now and then, but I don't want to go with the hustle and bustle of making up the mix every single time just for a single batch of pancakes. So I said, you know what, let me put some mix together, because I had powdered milk in my house. Yes, I did, because I used it to make yogurt with in my bread machine. And I said, well, let's just see how this goes. And also inspired by my wonderful nephew, Caleb. Caleb was inspired to make waffles from a time when he was young, and his mother and my brother took him out to breakfast. He had a picture of that waffle from when he was a little boy. He showed it to us, and he said the only reason why I hadn't made them yet is because I don't have a waffle iron. As he was talking, Auntie is typing. My sister-in-law said, I know you're not buying a waffle iron. Well, yes, I am. My nephew wants to make waffles, and he will get a waffle iron. So I bought him a waffle iron, and this is the picture of his waffles. So thank you, Caleb, for inspiring me to make pancakes this morning. Love you, little boy. Well, he's not a little boy. He's going to be a bioengineer soon. Okay, so enjoy this video. Come on, let's do it. Hey, don't forget to choose joy, okay?